ito yung dahon. So this is cinnamon.
Saffron.
At merong lumalabas. Kandalula ka ring main.
Since they have their own dialect, which is
Ginger, of course. Ano yung ginger dyan? Turmeric, I don't know. Of course, silish. I know that. Curry chew. Pwede, kumuha. It smells nice.
Since 1976, this village began with temporary commercial shelters away from the mountain. Today, as a for a couple of days, these are months